the recording part. Okay. Anyways, I'll be sharing this with you. So it's all right. Yeah. So this is something which I'll be doing. I'll be recording the sessions and I'll be, okay. Are you able to see my screen, guys?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am, we can't.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Now?
No, ma'am.
No,
Can,
yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, cool. So I'll be sending the class video every day. So I'll be recording the videos, and these videos will only be content videos. Suppose if I'm teaching content, this will be edited videos. This will not be your entire class. So don't think that if we miss the class, maybe someday just for fun, and then maybe we can look at the video. These videos will not be of the entire class. This will be edited videos which will only cover the concept which I'll be teaching in the class, not the other parts of the class. So this is just for you, so that even if you have missed some concept, or if you have any doubts in the concept, you can again watch the video and understand the concept. Or in case if you have missed the class, at least your content is not getting missed, and that's why I'm doing that. I'll be sending out the recording every day. You will get every time after every class you will get some homework. This means, and why I'm giving you this homework, because what I've observed in from last 1.5 month is that some of you don't even go back and revise your concepts when I don't give you any homework. And this what happens is, because next, and when you come for the next class, you are not at all prepared. Like you sometimes get confused from about the previous concepts as well. So that's why I will be giving you some homework. It will not be more. I will make sure that it is just an half an hour work, and every homework will carry 5 marks. And that is and while you are doing the homework, I want you to understand what you are understanding, what are some of the doubts, and I want you to reach out to me in case if you are having any doubts while doing your homework. Okay. And the timings to reach out to me, please guys, make sure that you reach out to me by 7 p.m. in the evening, not after 7 p.m. In case if you are doing your work after 7 p.m. and if you have any doubts, please mark it, and then you can ask me the next day. Okay. Make sure, but if it is such a thing which cannot wait, and suppose if the next day is an exam and you really need help, then maybe you can drop me a text, and if whenever I get time after 7 p.m. I'll help you out. Please take help of your classmates. Please reach out to them also. Suppose if you feel that someone else has understood this concept in a better way, please take help from each other. Help each other out. And in case of your homeworks also, it's okay if you want to reach out to others, but please don't copy each other's homework, because I can understand that when you're copying from someone else. Okay. So please make sure you do your homework on your own. It is okay to take help from your classmates or from me or from anyone else. But please do your work on your own. Do not copy your homework. Okay. Because if you copy your homework, I will get to know, because you all sometimes make the same mistakes, and that's how I can catch. Okay. So please don't do that. So these are the two things from my end, and I'll also be solving doubts, and please feel free to reach out to me whenever you have doubts. Okay. Next thing, what I expect you to do in the class. We have already discussed the class rules, but again, I'm iterating again. I want you to attend all the classes. Please take leaves only if it is necessary. Suppose if you are not well, or there is some internet issue, or you don't have power, that these are the exceptional cases. But I want all of you to attend the class. Please take ownership of your own learning. Don't be like, okay, I forgot to charge my phone, and that's why I don't have charge, and that's why I'm not able to attend the class. Loss is yours, not mine, not anyone else. It's your loss when you are not attending the classes, right? So it's attending the classes for your own benefit, not for our benefit. So please don't miss your classes. Only take leave when it is necessary. Don't just miss the classes just just for the sake of it. completing your homework on time, which I've always already iterated, because if you don't complete your homework on time, I also set aside some time for checking your homework, and if I don't get in your homework on time, it was always hard for me to check it. So that's why I stress on, please submit your homework on time. Maintain separate notebook for math. I hope that everyone is already doing that. In case if you are not doing that, from now onwards I want all of you to maintain separate notebook for math, where you will be writing your notes, where you will be doing your classwork or homework. So I want, please separate maintain notebook for math. If you are not doing already, please start doing it from next class onwards. Revision of your previous class before attending the next class. I want all of you to please revise your previous class before you come for the next class. I don't want you to come empty headed in the class where you don't know what we have done in our previous class, because given that we have very less time, I just have 40 minutes to teach, and that also, like, some of the time goes into sharing the screen, understanding if everyone is listening or not, is able to do that. So effectively I just get only 30 minutes of teaching time, and if in that also I have to revise what we have done in the previous class, then it would be very difficult for us to cover our syllabus. Okay, so it would be really helpful if you are revising your previous classes before attending our next class. Okay, and this will also help you to understand what you are able to understand, what are your doubts. If you need to ask me something, you can actually reach out to me. Okay. um Guys, I have not heard from you, so are you following this? Just give me a quick thumbs up if you are able to follow all the 4 points which we have discussed. Okay, cool. Because I'm able to see some of the students, all of them have shown me thumbs up. Cool. Okay, next, take ownership of your own learning. This means that you only can take the responsibility of what you need to learn, and what are your goals, and where you want to go, and what you have to achieve, right? So please, I don't know, I really can't see in your brains what is happening, whether you are understanding. I do ask you, please show me thumbs up. I do cold call you, ki please can you tell me this answer. But seriously, the responsibility is on you for understanding whatever happens in the class. Or if you're not able to understand something, please ask doubts in the class, or ask questions to clarify things. And even after the class, you can reach out to me. Till now, no one from 8th class have actually reached out to me saying that, ma'am, we have not understood something in math class. So I always assume that, okay, everyone is understanding everything in the maths class, that then I understand this like this, right? And but when I see your test, I see that some of you were not able to understand some concepts, or you have not revised your work. So please, the whole responsibility is on you. Please go back and see what we have covered in the class. Take ownership of your own learning. Please reach out to your classmates, reach out to your teachers if you are not able to understand anything, and make sure that whatever gets covered in the class, you are clear with that, because that's how you will be able to build on your concepts. That's and why we are learning maths. I think in the first class when we discussed what you want to become and how maths will help you to become that, right? And everyone came up with such good answers, like, ma'am, and you all aligned that math is so necessary for you to achieve your goals, right? But if you are not able to follow what we are doing in the class, and if you are not concentrating in the class, and if you're not clear with the basic concepts in maths, then it's going to be difficult, right? And I want you all to be responsible enough to take responsibility of your own learning, because it's your loss when you are not learning. It's not anyone else's loss. So you have to understand that I have to make sure that whatever happened in the class, I want to be clear with that, right? Please, honest communication with your teacher and peers. This is something what I expect from all of you. Please, if you're not understanding anything, if you find class boring, I will not understand if you're finding class boring or not. I'll not understand what else you want in the math class. So please reach out to me, tell me, give me feedback. If you can let me know, ki ma'am, today in the class I felt this part you covered very fast. Manoj, I'll come back to you. Okay. I've seen that you have raised your hand. So suppose if you feel that I've covered some topic really fast, you can let me know, ki ma'am, you can go a little bit slow because in I'm not able to understand this. So I want all of you to have that honest conversation with me and let me know what. That's how I can improve, and that's how I can understand what is comfortable for you, right? And I want you all to understand whatever I'm teaching, and if there is a breakdown in that, then please let me know. And why is that? And we can also think around why that breakdown is happening. Okay. Last of all, please enjoy your classes. This is not some tedious work which you have to do, but it's an opportunity for you to learn and grow. And please take all these classes like that. Okay. Any questions? Yes, Manoj, you have raised your hand. You can go ahead.
Peers, ma'am.
I'm not able to hear you, Manoj. Can you write it in the chat box? I'll read it out.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, Manoj is saying
What
is
is
peers,
peers,
ma'am?
ma'am?
Peers means your classmates. Okay. Your classmates are your peers. Someone at your age. Okay. Okay, guys. So, anyways, there is less than 1 minute left. So, we will continue the puzzle part. So, are you clear? Please show me thumbs up. And if any doubts, please let me know. Any questions around this? Anything which you are unclear with? What about Usman?